Here's how to DIY your own rhinestone and pearl bridal sneakers. You'll need your embellishment of choice. I used a variation in size of rhinestones and pearls, a wax or silicone tip pencil. Either of these are a must for application, the E600 glue, and your sneaker or shoe of choice. I recommend working in sections, applying your glue in a portion, then plugging the tip, applying your embellishment, and then repeat. You can plug the precision tip with a toothpick, or you can just screw the top back on the nozzle. It's best to apply the glue in sections rather than all at once. That way the glue doesn't dry before you're ready to apply. Please be sure to use this glue either outdoor or in a well-ventilated area. She is strong. To clean off the precision tips when you're done or in between each session if you take a break, soak this in either rubbing alcohol or acetone. This also is what you can use if you have any mess up, excess glue, etc. You will have to apply each embellishment one by one, so it does take some time and patience. This honestly took me several weeks to complete because I did take time in between and again, worked through this in sections. I did do the inside and outside logo on each sneaker. You can choose to do different style embellishments or different colors to really customize these and make them your own. Be sure to give these about 24 hours to fully cure and dry before wearing. After that, your kicks are complete. I've listed everything that I used to make mine as well as direct links to shop in the video description box. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.